is the future. It's the first step towards our dreams. It's a revolutionary approach to development. The future is a doorway leading to a new world defined by intelligent software. High intelligence and automation drive limitless possibilities. The future is a lighthouse, illuminating the path of intelligent machining through practice. Embracing the future with openness, showing us how to innovate. The future is a blueprint, focusing on the vision of domestic alternatives, charting the path for empowerment and strategic leaps together. The future reveals who we are. And for whom we strive. It broadens our vision and strengthens our resolve. It inspires us to give our all without hesitation. The future is a reason for dreamers to unite and strive. To continuously challenge ourselves, to stand out and to be exceptional. In pursuit of leading and surpassing in the machine tool industry. The future is firmly rooted in the present, filled with confidence and anticipation. The future has arrived. The future is now.